Great day everyone! I'm very excited to share with you a great opportunity today. Alam mo ba na pwede ka kumita kahit may work ka, may business, o nasa bahay ka lang using your mobile phone basta may internet ka? Pero bago yon, let me introduce myself. I'm PJ Bustamante at ngayon isang full-time digital entrepreneur at accountant by profession. We are promoting technology-based business. And good news, sa community natin, meron tayong spoon-fed program and system, which is an advantage especially on earning sa online platform na ito. At ang market mo, worldwide. Our community help a lot of students, working professionals, and even OFWs na kumita on their free time. Meaning, hindi mo kailangan mag-resign dahil pwede mo itong gawin online with exclusive mentor and coaches na magtuturo sa'yo paano gawin ng tama ang business. Welcome to Orvis Victus Internationals, and we are partnered with Stronghold Incorporated with 62 years of income protection expertise. Once you get in sa ating community, we will provide tools and trainings kung paano mo gagamitin ang social media accounts like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram para i-present ang business sa lahat ng mga nag-how, and every time they join, you earn 6,000 pesos. Paano kung 5 ang nag-join? E di kumita ka ng 30,000, again, sideline. Hindi mo kailangan mamili, kaya you can consider this as side hustle, na mas madalas, malaki pa ang income dahil we are using the power of leverage. Ito yung sikreto ng pagpaparami ng oras at pagpapagaan ng gawain na ginagawa ng mga big-time businessman. Wais, di ba? I know, sold out ka na sa idea of leverage. Now, how to be part of this income-generating leveraged asset? You just have to purchase a package worth $29,990. Small capital lang pero pwede kang kumita ng 108,000 per day hanggang 3.2 million a month maximum potential income with the benefits worth value for your money. Kasama sa package ay magkakaroon ka ng 3 million pesos worth of personal accident insurance. Meron ka ding 600,000 worth of medical reimbursement as emergency fund para sa mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari. Example, na aksidente ka at na ospital, ayaw man natin mangyari pero malaking bagay na ang lahat ng nagastos mo ay maibabalik sa'yo up to 600,000 pesos. Habang nagpapahinga at nagpapagaling ka, magkakaroon ka ng additional 6,000 daily hospitalization income up to 10 days. Kasama sa package na ito ay pwede mo rin mabigyan ng protection plan ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay. 25% to 50% lifetime discount OVI Global Business in 200 countries worldwide. Distributors Tracking Center na kung saan mamomonitor mo ang business mo online. May secretary ka na, may accountant ka pa, 24/7. Paano mo mai-encash o mawi-withdraw ang income? Meron tayong tie-up na ATM card sa video na daily mo marireceive ang iyong income. Because we know na ang expenses ay daily rin at real time. Kaya bagay na bagay ito sa'yo kasi online. And mind you, pwede mo itong ipamana. Yes, you heard it right. Pwede itong pakinabangan ng next generation mo. Kakaroon ka ng free travel incentive. Kaya sobrang dali na kumita sa ating community. A lot are earning 6 figures a month, again, sideline. Kaya madami din ang pinipili itong gawing profession dahil sobrang ganda at bilis kumita. Pwede mo ring makuha ang house and lot na pangarap mo. Even the luxurious cars na gusto mo dahil sa ating Dream Light Points. Alam ko, gusto mo din yon. May iba pang ways to earn at i-discuss ito sa'yo ng taong nag-share sa'yo ng video na ito. Ngayon, tatanungin kita, gaano kaganda ang may side additional income? Sobrang ganda, di ba? Cause remember, you deserve a good life. Kaya ang mga nakakapanood ng video na ito ay nagjo-join agad. Kahit sino ka pa, kahit ano ka pa, basta't aralin mo ang tamang sistema at gawin mo ng seryoso, sigurado ang pag-asenso. Again, this is PJ Bustamante and happy Business Day!
I've been walking